The Supreme Court delivered its verdict on the June 2022 political crisis in Maharashtra triggered by the rift in the Shiv Sena leading to two factions, one led by Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde and the other by Uddhav Thackeray. The bench led by CJI D.Y. Chandrachud also comprised Justices M.R. Shah, Krishna Murari, Hema Kohli and P.S. Narasimha. In a major decision, the Supreme Court refused to interfere with the formation of Eknath Shinde government with the support of BJP as Uddhav Thackeray resigned without facing a floor test. However, the apex court bench led by CJI D.Y. Chandrachud said that the governor in his decision to hold the floor test and the speaker in his decision of appointing the whip of the Eknath Shinde group were wrong. The court held that it cannot order the restoration of the Uddhav Thackeray government as he resigned without facing a floor test. Had Uddhav not resigned, the CJI said he would have ordered in favor of restoration of the government. CJI D.Y. Chandrachud said that the governor's decision of holding a floor test was not in accordance with the constitution. Governor had no objective material to doubt the confidence of the MVA government and called for the floor test. He added that floor test cannot be used to resolve internal party disputes. While delivering the judgment, CJI D.Y. Chandrachud also made it clear that the whip appointed by the political party is crucial for the 10th schedule of the constitution, which talks about the anti-defection law. He added that the speaker was aware of the emergence of two factions in the legislative party on 3rd July 2022 when he appointed a new whip, but did not attempt to identify which of the two persons, Mr. Prabhu or Mr. Gogwale, was the whip authorized by the political party. CJI thereby held that the Speaker's decision to appoint Mr. Gogwale, who was backed by the Shinde group as the whip of the Shiv Sena party, was illegal. With this decision of the Supreme Court, the Shinde-led government will continue its rule in Maharashtra. The crisis began with Eknath Shinde declaring a rebellion against Uddhav Thackeray with 40 MLAs in June 2022. In June last week, the rebels moved to Assam and then staked claim to form the government with BJP's help. Eknath Shinde faction was recognized as the real Shiv Sena. Uddhav Thackeray resigned and Eknath Shinde was sworn in as the chief minister.